How do you check your property tax assessment notice? Imagine opening a letter that could impact how much you pay in property taxes this year. That's what your assessment notice is all about. It's not a bill but an official document from your local assessor's office. To make sure everything is correct, start by carefully reading through the notice. Look at the property details first. Check that the address, tax map number, and property classification match your records. If anything seems off, note it down. Next, review the values listed. Your notice will show the market value, which is an estimate of what your property could sell for today. It also shows the taxable value, which might be adjusted if you have exemptions or caps. The assessed value is usually a percentage of the market value, calculated by applying an assessment ratio. Understanding these differences helps you see how your taxes are calculated. Then, look at the ownership information. The notice will list who owns the property as of January 1st of this year. If you bought the property after that date, the previous owner's name might still appear. That's normal and will update next year. Now, compare this year's assessed value with previous years. If the value has jumped significantly, you might want to verify why. Counties often send notices when there's a big change, like $1,000 or more. Also, check for any exemptions or special classifications. If you qualify for a homeowner exemption or other relief, it should be reflected here. Make sure it's correct. The notice will also specify deadlines for filing an appeal if you think the assessment is wrong. These deadlines are usually between 30 and 45 days from the date on the notice. Remember, filing an appeal doesn't delay your property tax payment. If you decide to appeal, contact your local assessor's office. You can request an informal review where an appraiser will look at your property data and explain the valuation. If you're still not satisfied, you can escalate your appeal to a review board or court. Keep copies of your assessment notice and any correspondence. If you find errors or have questions, reach out to the assessor's office promptly. They can help clarify the assessment details, correct mistakes, or guide you through the appeal process. By checking these elements carefully, you ensure your property assessment is accurate. This helps you understand your property tax obligations and avoid surprises when the bill arrives.